everybody, this is the Dashboard. This time we're coming to you from the Raw Fest Saw Customs Car Show at Flamingo Lake RV Park. And this is Scootervision. This show was being put on by friends of the channel over at Saw Customs, and they were doing a benefit car show. And we decided we'd stop by and check it out. So anyway, here's the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Yep. Yeah, that one does. Hey.
Did you go to
Yeah.
the show? How was it?
Big.
Yeah, it usually is. It grows every year.
Yeah.
We were sad because they've never done it on this weekend. So they played, when we saw that, we're like, well, what are we going to do? We're already planned this, so here we are.
Yeah.
I know everybody else, we have quite a few people saying they're going to head on over right after the show. So we're looking forward to it. So as we figured, I feel like around 2 o'clock, all of a sudden, I think it's going to start rolling on in. So it'll be a good time. Glad we made it.
Yeah. I don't know. See what they're selling if you want. I guess we can call it a day. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Bring along the Debbie John. Bring along the Debbie John. Bring along the Debbie John. Yes, sir. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.